2-foot rule in closet lighting pertains to the necessary spacing between light fixtures and obstructions like clothes hangers and shelves. This rule aims to provide sufficient illumination, minimize shadows, and prevent potential fire hazards. Understanding its application is crucial for safe and effective closet lighting design. The primary interpretation of the 2-foot rule is that light fixtures should be positioned at least 2 feet away from shelves or storage spaces that extend to the ceiling. This clearance is vital because ceiling height shelves can significantly obstruct light, preventing it from reaching lower parts of the closet. Placing lights too close to these obstructions creates harsh shadows, making it difficult to identify and access items stored on lower shelves. Furthermore, proximity to shelves can pose a fire risk if the heat generated by the light fixture ignites flammable materials. There are several factors to consider when applying the 2-foot rule. Firstly, the height of the shelves is an important variable. If shelves are exceptionally tall, additional lighting might be necessary to compensate for the increased obstruction. This could involve using higher wattage bulbs or installing supplementary light fixtures to ensure adequate light distribution throughout the closet. Secondly, the type of lighting fixture plays a significant role in determining appropriate spacing. Recessed lights, surface-mounted fixtures, and undershelf lights each have different light distribution patterns, impacting how close they can be placed to shelves or clothing. Recessed lights, for example, tend to concentrate light downwards, requiring careful placement to avoid shadows. Surface-mounted fixtures distribute the light more broadly, potentially allowing for slightly closer placement. Undershelf lights are specifically designed to illuminate the space directly beneath the shelf, providing focused lighting for items stored there. Thirdly, consider using a dimmer switch to provide flexibility in adjusting the light intensity. A dimmer switch allows you to customize the brightness based on your needs and preferences, ensuring adequate visibility without causing glare or excessive heat. For example, if a closet has ceiling-mounted shelves that are 6 feet tall, the light fixtures should be installed at least 2 feet away from the shelves. This translates to a minimum installation height of 8 feet from the floor. This placement ensures that the shelves do not block the light and that the lower sections of the closet are adequately illuminated. The 2-foot rule is not just a recommendation, it is often a requirement in electrical codes to ensure safety and prevent fire hazards. Local electrical codes may provide specific guidelines for closet lighting, including minimum clearances from storage spaces and types of permissible fixtures. It's crucial to consult with a qualified electrician or local building inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. When planning closet lighting, consider the following factors for optimal results. 1. Assess the size and layout of the closet. Larger closets may require multiple light fixtures to provide uniform illumination. The arrangement of shelves, rods, and other storage elements will also influence the placement of lights. 2. Determine the appropriate type of lighting fixture. Recessed lights are a popular choice for closets, offering a clean and unobtrusive look. Surface-mounted fixtures provide a broader light distribution and can be easily installed on the ceiling or walls. Undershelf lights are ideal for illuminating specific storage areas. 3. Choose the right light bulb. LED bulbs are energy efficient and produce minimal heat, making them a safe and cost-effective option for closet lighting. Select a bulb with a color temperature that provides comfortable and accurate color rendering. 4. Consider the use of motion sensors. Motion-activated lights automatically turn on when you enter the closet, providing convenient hands-free illumination and conserving energy. 5. Ensure proper wiring and installation. All electrical work should be performed by a qualified electrician to ensure safety and compliance with electrical codes. Improper wiring can pose a fire hazard and lead to electrical shock. 6. Think about the closet's primary use. A closet used mainly for storing clothes might benefit from brighter, more focused lighting to make it easier to distinguish between different garments. A linen closet might need softer, more diffuse lighting. 7. Keep aesthetics in mind. While functionality is paramount, consider the overall look and feel of the lighting. Choose fixtures that complement the style of the closet and the surrounding area. 8. Use a light meter if necessary. In some cases, particularly in larger closets, it can be helpful to use a light meter to measure the actual light levels in different areas. This can help ensure that the lighting is adequate and evenly distributed. 9. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Always adhere to the manufacturer's instructions for installation, bulb type, and maintenance of the lighting fixtures. 10. Make sure to obtain necessary permits. Depending on the scope of the project, it might be necessary to obtain electrical permits from the local building department. This ensures that the installation meets all safety standards. Remember that safety is the top priority when working with electricity. Always disconnect the power supply before working on any electrical components. If you are not comfortable performing electrical work yourself, hire a qualified electrician to do the job. The 2-foot rule is a critical guideline for closet lighting design, ensuring adequate illumination, minimizing shadows, and preventing potential fire hazards. Understanding and adhering to this rule, along with other relevant considerations, will help you create a safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing closet lighting system.